everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you these BT21 plushies. Each one comes in their own unique box that is printed with adorable BT21 images. The plushies are made of a soft fuzzy material with embroidered details and there are 7 to collect. The first one I have here is Koya, a sleepy blue koala with a purple nose. This adorable character is a deep thinker and likes to have lots of naps. This is Chimmy, a white puppy with black ears wearing a yellow hoodie. Chimmy is an energetic character that spreads joy wherever he goes. This is Shuki, an adorable cookie with a cheeky expression. This mischievous character loves to play pranks on his friends. This is RJ, a soft and fluffy white alpaca. RJ is known for being a foodie and having a compassionate character. This is Cookie, a cute pink bunny. The character is very tough and loves to work out. This is Mang. Mang loves to dance and their true identity is hidden behind a horse mask. The last one I have here is Tata, a huge heart-shaped alien. This character has transforming powers and is a crown prince on planet BT. Overall, I really enjoyed unboxing these adorable characters. The plushie's rounded puffy design make them soft and squeezable. Each one has a unique look and personality, making them the perfect addition to any plushie collection. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!